Hi everyone, are you having trouble connecting your iPhone to Bluetooth devices? Don't worry, I've got you covered with easy troubleshooting steps. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Bluetooth issues on your iPhone. You can now reconnect seamlessly. Step 1 is to juggle Bluetooth on and off. Let's start with the basics. You can go to the settings app and go to Bluetooth and juggle it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Alternatively, swipe down to open the control center and juggle the Bluetooth there. Step 2 is to restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can clear temporary glitches. Turn it off by holding the power button to slide the power off, then turn it back on. Step 3 is to forget the device and reconnect. If you're having trouble with specific device, go to the setting app, then you go to Bluetooth and find the device under My Devices. Tap on the eye icon next to it, then select Forget this device. Pair the device again as you normally would. Step 4 is to ensure the Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. Make sure your device is ready to connect. Check the device manual for instructions on how to enable pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, try connecting again. Step 5 is to update your iOS. Outdated software can interfere with Bluetooth connection. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Updates and install any available updates. Step 6 is to reset network setting. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset and reset network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase Wi-Fi passwords, so have them ready. Step 7 is to test other devices. Check if the problem is with your iPhone or the Bluetooth device. Try connecting your iPhone to a different Bluetooth device to see if it works. If other device connect fine, the issue might be with the original Bluetooth device. If none of these steps work, it may be a hardware issue. Reach out to Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for assistance. And that's how you troubleshoot Bluetooth issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.